Ya no makwaba. Me jidi sam ho ye. Na twedi ampon na se. Sam ho ye. Usme ho ye pa. Twedi ampon na da romanti. He. Wo exam se china koko suade. Suade. Twedi ampon na da romanti me sume ho ye pa ni wie nim. Na na de we no bedin komo kakra. Tell da yedin komo no. Like I said, I think I was said before, of course, because all the time people are asking me, "Time ben I over life, time ben I over life." I say I don't really have exact time I'm about life, but yes, still the conquer for maybe life or so. So I think I need to focus about my page. Now, let me say, Enra by life, am I ever kasai bibre? Efa papa bi efe no agimada historian ho. Menim se ene da edi mampon hene na wotwe da. Na san se wa kontum ti na mentimi anko bi nti no. Eyi no me de kan ma ye me de yabo me bra. Na asante yokon santini bi agina wo so selani. Iti ebre bia no sebi. Unwi akora to a na wo san ho akoko. Sa na sante ebobre no etie. Na enra ebobo nsem bibiri so. Na enra no me yesi ebeto aso ne. About historian Ajimai. Na to semwa na odi. Nini nkuntum po semwa no woka. Nti ebeto aso. Balansa na ebeto aso. Me koto ye nuanom do mafo binom. I think that sometimes these people think they are competing with somebody. Nobody is competing. Obi anemu eni esikan. Nana Timabadu eye Doma Hene. Oye a parliament chief in Doma traditional area. Only to me biala ni why man of quine. This is why you don't really understand it. When I'm more data say, officer more confidence behind your phone, confidence behind your neighborhood and your own houses. It's much more. Namunya mo phone. You have that braveness. Who was that could do no? Say, okay, seminar what now can. In the normal circumstances, once seminar what can it does not change a fry. And change an ant. And you what did the attempt? Your kind of attacks, your insinuation. So this is not how we fight. Yang konse yet to nipa. Na penina or chair mono. Na munya ni business subida, na munya ni subida. De bia mo de no koto platform so. Na nkora mu bra no kora mu modwunu ba bia na mu bi kora afi na. Ye be mo de aton sase. Ana say ebe to foundation e di dimpani fuate. But I just want to remind you say eno nsesa bibia. You see the fact is mo de amoye ni nyina enkosi hwe. For me, I think say Kabro champion na me ya the first in 1951. Obeti ya bia se hine beka na ho. Drobo na sisie ne kwase ebuo. Na sisie ne kwase ebuo nti e wotumfo. Asoso hye ne kwase ebuo a wo bu Japa krom na omampesu ekuro no so se emahene. Ana ono so dokoka aname ya ho. Do mahene hantan a wosiesie ne ho. Eri na ba besi kuru aso. Ewo Asanteman traditional council mu. Niema ni butu ho. Ema de sai. Ono so tie atwea na ode koka na me ya ho. So these are the four people that initiated the Bon Champion in 1951. Na me ya Bon Champion obete ye no. One thing out of say what time obi a what out of say this understanding. Misunderstanding na ho say. Ni nwia opoku are asabre no. Na ye fen say osagiman sabre no wo ho. Na so osagiman fa ni nkuro motoa nso no a akone from 1723 bedi no ho no onfa ma no na omu nyina ya ade ba akọ fifie ba akọ e no se da bi akono nipa toy nipa wu na yenya ne saa na emom wo ye menwanti wo ka me ho ɛno na ɛma ne bufu ya ɔde kɔte bro champion say the accusation say almost say omamamre ɛna abrɔfo ne asante alan episode ɔmo destroy ɔmo afi contribution say contribute or asante memu na yɛde build schools ni adade no ntwea ɛno na ma education system yɛ basawo tachima oh so akonya no jai ama education system yɛ basa tachima within that time into what they call Privy Council London yɛhwɛ OD4 because kuna wulusu ade ekura won dia there is no way you can refine it back unless was akwa ni bi physical one na watimi edinkunim na wabekre mu de ulusu yen other than that boxing bibia we see the lot of the universities like a boxing we actually do on a boxing net say obi board your title ti definitely ubeshana say unless say offer very much now what your title in the back there is no way kasama de enchi ensuomu bomu it doesn't make sense enti mo nkora no a ene moye ebon champion no a modern lies propaganda ne some stupidity and speculative lies and change she enti kamene mo a kasabron champion no ye be patronize ene ma ewo ebon region nim na ya pay investors ye betimi de develop ye important wa yete ho na nya wo tribe na mu potem wa mu bi ate mbotimi patronize mo ne ma pa mo ho isan say there's a lot of beautiful things a war Obron regional you can patronize it but mo no mo bi no especially ndo mafo no omo na aye sa na mawu mu nya adima bedu ye de oba bia untimi kukuru nko ba bia dia tembia wo pe bia wo dasane enko dia tembia wo pe bia to nipa bia wo pe ho it does not do any change anywhere and sorry this is what you was more munya education musua de ye wa kro yi mu ana mu dwe nipa so mu a etimu asante ni asante hene ohu hinti ne do ma hene kaka bensem ya odi nti wokoto abade ma NDC because what say NDC ba obeba be ma adima bedu ene otumfo osi to ayepe oti bi mpani nsem wo hene. Where did you learn this stupidity from? Politicians are just using you. So, better than ever. We all have the same culture, the same. Kingdom. Build what it is now today. So, you can't change it. Your friend, the Bron Regional, a political administration. It does not change the focus and society. And then you catch it one chicken and on says, yeah, it's cool. Are you cool? Why you cool? What do I see a free near? I asked if you finish on high before. I didn't call court to you. It was say, oh, cause try the man, or Kokuma say, or send a brown half wabba. Or what do you mean, brown half wabba? A judge. Also, by I said, a brown for Bassa say, was Siani, and a brown half wabba, and Timan Kusakumas, and there be a brown half. It's only for the government, for administrative purposes. It have nothing to do with a traditional method. And they can never, the political administrative can never compete with that traditional administrative. And it's one could say, and as I'm yet to assure that we say, Ediana judgment in the bay. And when the Bemo no one of fetch the Kukumase. Now for one who I him for be almost one more bye. No much I see a church to come on. Now you were at Nasam no suno buffa, Yakasane, Yadi Sika or Menshedi. You need to learn. Sua dear, do not let anybody mislead you. Dear Tam any onyankopon simra form. Ajima Bedu can never in anywhere near. Ajima Bedu me on pictures I want to mention. You decline. Ajima Bedu the first. Or to the position. Okobon kumfeku mwa. Or to the third line. The third line too. Or 2 4 first so Sajma Tim Finfin. What can free the bunk the left to right and 1 2 3 Nanajima Bedu or decline. He sat there. What say ya? Nana touch my hand to her. The pictures are clear. They are all one people. Ajima Bedu, SCS, no home, I did not see. Creveso, I was a santimine, and she mumu. Why, yes, I to assume you know, and a year before near you know, near man, butu ho, and a year before. Omo de show omo nkrofo mu abepem na etan omo ye sa ne ma no etimi kanyina so omo nka asantema ho but ye can administratively na ye nsukura sebi enya ado sebi abraw asem hene na one ne tena ha akopem so odi wuye ono mo na asase ni omo de a bo mo nyina eye asantema etorotisa ni nyina ka asantema kingdom ne ho eniti mamenche wunyansa bako ya mo domafo ni bi no nobody have ever mo historian ne ba he just sat there speaking nonsense aya na aya me mobo because hope na ode ma wono any legal support any constitutional support nothing be being who support to sa fabricating stories no mo be be mamono as a fake hope Sir Richard Pedro na wo ade he don't know anything let's say being who can make sense it doesn't even exist. So let me tell you a better thing. The other time I was under a post and the lady was saying, say, as I say, Abun for a bremu, Ayobia, Yemdemi and Penny for ni amamre, Abun wa mamre. Abun wa mamre, Nina wa mamre bako, because we are all together, Yenina bako. I am one number chia, now possible creative before fro, and I quest a more criti. I bet you new because it's not part of who you are. Any adjuma bedua sa wasa dance skills obi enu baby osu free ye but ebunu wa mamre ebunu ne asante ade baako ya frutiem baako entokwa edi asante age nyina ebunu region ahafo region ni nyina aka ho na nananom age se di pande si ho but na wo se no because of passage mabedu woni otumfo ye pe in what book in what rhythm enwum be mu are you crazy? What do you know for man say? Then let me tell you. Mo na mo tena ho ka say. Mo video mo ye na nra no. Eno reference na we de mamo. Mo na mo tena ho ka say. Mo ene na najima bedu betena public crack kan. So be sili akwala. Emfa nkosi. I was so happy say. Initial stages na me hu na najima bedu no. Asam ne be ba ho fra me hu no. Me hu ne say somebody a na me fisa na adwene mu eda ho ena me sabe hu say oye high court judge me hu say oyo bia wo sua ho makọ akire nti enema bi wo oye a wo mma bonten wo be court instead so be kire me hu say yi sa kwahwe apa wan sua de na onya sa qualification the political push najma bedu nim oni judicial field ho no enema bebre wonim nti o contempt wa bonten kro mfa ho na najma bedu timitena Bono Regional House of Chief emba ka kire wo do mani akora me ka se broni akora izaza do mafo mo na mo ye dominant nkwasa se me koso nyina so bie nipa enya wo Bono Region wo nyina wo ajma bedu suma drobu mu jamafo ne mo nkrofo mo nkora na mo koso all this desert at this stable nipa peace interfere on other traditional areas our Bono Region instigate family together all because you want to be who you are not na ade baako a wo so hye ne so de say ajima bedu etna Bono Regional House of Chief you wo TB misumi TB obi e TB enya ade a meme kato so wote wo say so wono ajima bedu otoso mienu ti ase so otofo so oba elibeti fiepre elibeti nchira elibeti fene say waje wamia gazette na Samba Jafradia enye Bono Regional House of Chief for the bebefa na nya bra wono aye Regional House of Chief president on the case asem benewere afise okotena nchira ekobie na no kase wono ajima bedu be elibeti wono ebe elibeti enchira fake ehene no ama ne parliamentsi ya nsemi se on wote ase yade e woni padwenem in what legal field in what traditional field in what method ekwa abeso ajima bedu ye mahene wan kasa wadu kurofo no kra wontimi mbomi mahene because say Bono ahafo abunu is nyina part of Asante ye territories ni bia ye part ye part of Asante Kingdom, either you like it or not, either you hate it or you dislike it, either you despise it or you just hate it. In fact, nyina ye Asante for, no matter how much you address yourself, but in circumstances Asante for Asante ba enura kwa nyina ye Asante for, and this is what is there. And be a wouldn't me say. Even abra year L1, L2 laws. There was a consultations. These politicians, and the MPP administration, they was happening. They find time. Sabre ran what to cry or buy. They came to him and asked him for permission if that law could be passed. Now, a certain mentioned people in a certain region be oha. Yama one more quine, a more liberty a man. And Crofwa, or 2 4 say to my home quine, a bini at Mabuaka henny. Quo ebini new gabbing. Kotoku, Bosome, Central Region, sir. Northern Region, me know ho. Ena, Oko Western Norfolk, me know ho. Western Region, Bako, and a Central Region, me know ho. A Blue Region, Yamamubi. A Blue East Region, Yamamubi. William Natia. O Biela new ho. President Biela new ho. I challenge you. Senamosemo chair president Biamoaba. A president do not have autonomous power only to me. So dear friend, chieftaincy issue and a dispute and a land matters only who to me so can, because it is not part of his job. It is not part of his job. Politician, parliament, obi any who to me so can, except Supreme Courts. Except Supreme Courts. Except Supreme Court. Supreme Court on kwa. And they walk to me. So can't a near me fa a hini hun sem and kunya hun sem assassin hun sem and tim wasi. But you can't. Supreme Court used so if finding the solution in our archives a year Asante Kingdom traditional archives. It's answer. Na none no man that's Abram Blue region, a Blue East region, and that nina ya Asante Kingdom. Only na to Mwasi no moto baby. And no more bomb home what they keep you on my kingdom no a save. It's one history. I want to ask you they combine it and they keep it, and now it is saved in there. Na niachi obia obru ebru kasante ebru is part of Asante Kingdom. Ebru region, both east and both the ebru na kasifie no ni na part of Asante Kingdom. And what adima bedu also ya judge ni wo also ya judge ni e den si na wo ebra ye L2L1 in 2022 ofri said now wo to me be to contest against that law sadenti ni ama wo akonya so timi elibeti mai e was Supreme Court ana wanko because you know say you lose war. Because traditionally, politically, constitutionally, you are under Asante Kingdom. What's Asante Kingdom? Nothing. The whole union is just a child play. A young kora grow and a moody. And the history go up until instigating Korasi Yankun. Nyankum ya home. I believe Mubia Warawari. Ya home. Yanina Yamian Bako. And kora grow and Ajima Bedudi. A dear to me now, Wobet me liberty and Chara. And Chara. Asante Kingdom. And Kran ba bonte betra bonte be kasane some idiot and pennyphobia or mamma brain. If they think they said they've got something to say, they have to go to the Supreme Court. That is the highest court of the land. Yeah, no ma akonya. Supreme Court on kwana ma akonya say. President be any who to me. Parliamentarian be any who to me. DC be any who to me. Or be allowed or your government be any who to me, except the judiciary Supreme Court. It is what they call from circuit anyeye, Echo High Court anyeye, Echo Appeal Court anyeye. Your last hour, and no yetimi proper investigation at the Supreme Court. And nobody is tidying anybody's hand. Obian techere obian zanwu ho. Or he be better monte, and I made a amigo Krimako. Akonya no asante kingdom na se dada. Ti so obebasum. So masum. Nobody cares. Because a critical na critical pointer. You will know where you find yourselves. And it's here, but see a catcher, any pana no matisia bontain say. Asante, meme asante kwabre. Many asante blue in conto qua. Is that asante kwa ni asante kwabre ni, and asachini, santi achimini, ada asante adansini, ayafade sa asante achumeni, asante sechini, ene asante buno, and asante hafuni, e bini yin ebi antam. So we are not fighting. Now the Osiwane the owo a bit of concern. Maintain me who ase wo ho wonte ne mase no onko court. Na onfa ni die. Emma constitution no. No onfa ni die. Emma man no watimu no onko court. Na a lawyer for mu free all sorts of different ethnic groups in the background mu no. Ehwehwa semnum. Na say if there is anything that could be maybe favorable to your reasons, they will not hide it, or they will not say or no more declined the right you have. Supreme Court is a court of justice. Aban kura president koho eme bunifo. So who again? Obiala Shemrana says so. In Supreme Court is the various people with various intellectualisms that are there. And yet asante fonko, and yet your friend say, and when I fonko, and yet we are all there. Most of people come from different backgrounds, and they are all there. So if you do not even think, say, one year appeal court to a go to Supreme Court and let people that young Kurani are worth in your peace of mind. So o brage, abra wuni said to me, you know, o brage. What was so tune for a be peja fie prama wo ware? Wo ye doma hene. En kuna be and then me kwato ya. Ono mama ba ene guy bi ananim ti sese bi. Obi a oba wiase ya chiri nyansa da. Atagi mama ba video say omanya ayi doma ya santo aradi ya nkobole ya. Engwa seba dozo omanya doma ya santo a. Ya wo kase Otunfo ekremi the land of a bron and it's in Nanaji Mabedu Bear Kasa. What's a bear Makasa? Bear Makasa no look of us, video better horse. But Mabedu say Sinipo or Kasa. Nanaj Mabedu, we are a high court judge. If you think you are man enough and you have a case, and if you think a bro and a broad regent is not part of Asante Kingdom legally and constitutionally, go to court. And all of us will contribute money to support you. Because we want to be fair. All of us want to be fair. So the little I can, I will contribute to you. So 10 pounds of crown make me, I may contribute here, man. And all of us will do the same. Because we, the people, that understand fairness, just support what is fair, not what is intimidation. And to go to courts. You are trying to impress who? Who? Are you a man enough? If we're man enough, we fucking go to court. Because you are actually part of the legal system. So if indeed you've got a case, and what you are saying is not accusation, to make you people seem that you are good. Otunfo is sellable. Otunfo have done so many good. The things His Supreme Royal Imperial Royal Majesty, not even a very inch of it, and I walk over Jurong or Chantama, or no giving millions away. You are selling Entema. Entema a toby 12 pounds, 12 euro, or Chantama. How much is Entema? Make me to make me a ton tomorrow, Ache. But do something useful. Or two for building empires, building treasures, or build these things that a near mess sumbo. Ankura wo show no school. Ankura be doctors and judges one in some is abundant. It's countless. Won't even count it. And the power of two coin. There are millions. Look at a man penny for. I adore him because of his peaceful nature, his kindness, his kind of love and passion here for people. Admabedu, you can try your best, but try it. No, try it with Sumahini. You have to try it with Sumahini. What me kwatena ho na wo akizu otumfo. This very genuine soul have ignored you. What can send me bratono so? Also, wo ye there wo hyemase. Okan obetim be yi wan no. Obe yi wan no say me menhye wase. Also wo ye there ya wo hyenase, ono na wo nya obio. Eno wo ya na wo ye sa. Also wo nya. Be obi foforo be dia dia, obe hia no. Me say, obesu. Because another person will come as my hene, obeba besom. Obeba be kradwafo because that's your position. Unkra they say they are digging and just tickling their tongue. Mema sambia aye patapa mema samro moto hoye. If me make any movement, me prepare my steps. Not ma making sure say not me you know I have grounds. You don't even have a grounds. What me kasa ube elevating chira. No do na ya na ni peso da ya na say in what legal field? Akwa beso. Yeah, National House of Chief Nims and Chira is part of Asante Kingdom. Abapa no no so no di wachi no. O sorry ya. Na ya say Chira hima abolete. Eye funny. You are just being funny. Just say eye comic art and am way. Otum for ho time obewe pra mo nonsense no. Baby otum for bewe pra mo no eye Supreme Court. E ho na the law of the land. E ho na ye kasem wo ho. The highest place obi above it. The person too for responding to your nonsense, I just go there. They will invite him. He will send his lawyers to come there. I just want to warn all of you out there. Your cups are full. Kalim, I gave Migmao 3 days, and then 2 days, actually 3 days. So what for evidence now, ma? Yeah, just so 2 4. I call Bible National House of Chiefs. Also, who videos, who pictures, who audio, such as 2 4 voice womb, the whole Ghana, and now 2 4 recording. How would you attain it? What's me attaining a president for recordings? How would you able to attain it? Do you know how Otumfuo make calls? Do you know how Otumfuo talk? He barely call people on the phone. People are from more phones, so a neutral conversation. Me who watch it? Yeah, bruh. If I say no, didn't come. That is it. Crucial information Otumfuo will never discuss on the phone because Asante Kingdom is more than advanced. Asante Kingdom is more than advanced. Na Otumfuo kra no obi be ye dealer telephone so na National House of Chief President Otumfuo ntimi ba agene zomra na na say kra anko akwasa ne mia na se bibi wo hokro be so bi ye mano he will not discuss on the phone. So I'm waiting for you just 3 days and then 2 days so kalimu kwasa asem no na ma to sam na mudu usase wo images a containing some chief in National House of Chiefs. Your omo aje bribe. So one fasa defamation of character time is over. And your Saudi Arabia and Kuwait don't come to Ghana. Because I had a Ghana, me at show. Me at the work of court. Me at the work of court. Now there be a who was evidence and no proof. Sampa is part of Asante Kingdom. Who doesn't know? Oko courts. Ya catch you clearly. Say ya mahasi bedi Sampa. Why na yo hina na asa wana nyo wonyo hini. Ezan say Sampa kunya Otumfuo asiewi. Na emu me bahafo say gazetting no documents no akodi. Bro regional mo fanko. president bay when so to me our Ghana ho so bet me atena asem so akasa sampa bra amamre every document be achasa sampa from 1700 is part of Asante Kingdom or 24 poku at 1982 and elevate sampa to Paramonsi. Why that's so to me about tradition more. Why na see why judge ni bay Ghana dem he who asam to Ghana beka se mra nya adwuma asam wunya asam da wo beka se Ghana mra nya adwuma mra ya adwuma emra ya adwuma so yeah share wo kalim audio no enra and then 2 days me ma 3 days adete no one for otumfo audio na ma ya na otumfo is Imperial Royal Majesty chairman bribe obi our National House of Chiefs ya wo recording no na one for images no a eya hemfo no so ya kwara you are just a child you think say wo cast as why dey Ufi say you are in your hallucination stupid mind Ufi said that is going on tina bokoko to be ana ya the Lord what is the Lord demands and requirement sampa ekuro no ehe na ka ho Asante Kingdom ho by legal by constitutionally by traditionally jurisdiction Asante Kingdom ho eche he fa na wo de bekọ a wo bedi nkunim why so sasa modwane dey I do not have his time because a young boy with a stupid mentality wasting your time ono na juka ono sa modwadwe ne say ono ne otumfo e kon toko wa na compete. The funny word we live now is this. Wo kura wonye this year. Umfri Kofi Suno busium, umfri bu ama busium, umfri Watala busium. Wo ye fake, wo ya kwaba. Huh? Na no ofo Watala ebetena ho. E kan sembi. Na no kura de me mpese me mimi bu no ntimi mpese because ode hye de nkase ntia no ntimi mpese me de ma no bekọ so. Nemum ne nema wo ye no nwinu ho yi because untimi ntam fie japade emfa ma akoa minim se sika wagege afiri wo mo ho ne asase woni ma wo yi ye nti na untimi nsan na wa wonu ho ono pushiw se bekasa abrantie no ote won kyan no anya wonu na beka se Ghana hade ayi sampa ye asantefo yakonya ka asante ho enoti na wo se de awi asam ba santewura asante mawura nim na odi asamaye na enim so no nko na ka no kore anya sa branche na no de odi atam nyo na ka asam fa no kunua pa nyo na ka asam na mo mutimi kokoto na ko kasa mo mun komenhia da afi de bebio ede bebio mu na ede bebio na mutimi deny ne so e ba se e ka kire wo se ne wo bekan ne wo stress wo ebunu ne asante ni asem ebunu ne asante e ba ko pe enyina akwasi broni ba enyina mo nananum ne koye bibia na asante yenyina ye dia Asante region ni babia ye political demarcation Asante Kingdom reche efa ho nyina nananum nyina ba mo hoden ekonkoden obi ankokode anse na obi a mu nyina ye involve nananum nyina free buru east ekonkoden de Asante man onum aye mema onum bo mo hoden e resist akwasi broni so mfa golden stone nwane anya obi oti Asante region and that if we come to Asante region they were betrayers or manko they were betrayers some of them even sold their birthright they were him for and then akwasi broni di baby abato bon region they resisted it they fought so make keep Asante Kingdom keep the golden stone and to obi an ho ne bono e problem ebono is part of Asante treasure be Asante one ebono is part of it Ejapade bi ene obi akola bi ye na adwesa Asante region da bi Asante Kingdom wono Asante Kingdom na ye nyina de ente ejapade bi wo mu a ye nyina na ye de a nyina so de entitle because nyina na ekwo jeje ene nyae na mum wo mo mate atua na wo pese mo division ba ye mu no wo mo ne ye no wo no mo ko ana on masom mo nkora ana mo pose nkraman and o ma shada the agenda and I abunu for and I asante for mumuye me kra senye saade we ye koba ya agima bedu bab one sen be kikense mo me ebuni be na me ne wotena pen ya me mu this is stupidity huh asemi ba ya enamo kasa asante for so kasa wa na emu ade asemi ba ya enne modomafo de sumafo bi ne tachimafo wanwa bi ane one market bi wanwa bi fra mo amudi atem no wa na emu ade everybody have seen it omo mu ade omu ni ntete omu mu panyin omo mu kasa kankan ye nyina ye kunso obi a wo ye badwen ba no hu se mo ya ntete mo ano ya modomafo bi no aniti I just want to tell you say mo pesa mo ya na ke ya follow toward my bedu agenda na ode ama mo no na ya follow na ya be ha na brofo da bi Ebunu have fought so well to attain the Asante Kingdom obi a wonim bibia no better abontia follow to mo tribe mo trap na ma sete no agima bedu enko no nenam krofo brabun krofo no can some fun and it's time you come together we come together chese even krasebia nya do sebia brawo MPP mu krasa wo youth organizations oho MPP mu ye wo youth organization wom youth organizer ye will be wo mo appoint no it is Asante Kingdom mu mo so mako other region political region mo be come ho abonu ma ye bibia ma ye fe na ye nyina dey contribute your regions na ye nyina asa atena se fe sa Asante Kingdom a ka bibia ni ho ye bone mu be wo adwene po bi so be so ye so ye bono yene abra wo yare o pesa wo ye ho se bono na sa won kura adom afo nkura asase e fro bono yene na me catch another chima hen ana me bo odin kasem on said eh ana ya hade ana ayemfo no be nche bia na be nyina yepe ayada na mu nyina mo yepe ubu ade akura aka nka se be nyina yepe bi sa so munyepe wo mo okoto wo mo so wo tete wo mo nkonwa nyin wo se mu nyina mo yepe ayada na mu nyina mo yepe tesa what the gazetting yeah chere government gazette in traditional area fan paramount na so mu nyina mo yepe umu amamre ayada na wajima bedu ni tachima yepe ayada na wajima bedu quote on quote oni atebubu yepe ayada na wajima bedu quote on quote make no kura woni buonu mi yepe na twa bodoma you see because of wazum say now you are all parliament chiefs etu ana ye side here be wo de na ba him for be wa ha no be nche be bia be nyina yepe umu ade be che bi baby woman be che bi wom be yam panimfo say baby and na what one apostle on any video na natachima hene asemi kana hyase nkura na na o mayiro mo hwane ko fe Facebook so ye fe bro hene ko fe Facebook so and na yeto me se me kana hyase bontuku German ni o bontuku o ya komuni enya no friends o ye bro hene enya no a adenti na opa unity na opa so ye ne ho se ebrofo nyina nka mom opa so ye ne ho se o te bunu fra Asante ho legally enye yi traditional enye yi but ebe ku a ebe yi to say ku a o mate no ebe yi because everybody is free to say access of freedom of first join association it ebe ku a ebe yi it adenti na no nana on for na konya on set example no for na konya mehwa wo tachima hena se aso wo pre na se wo de ba e o pre se suma ya kotifu asase no sumafo asema aba akoyi post fake papa we dia agu sumafo so na o mahunu so omoye kwa asemti abusuani mu acha ebi so so ti asema be kan wase ya ba asem de ba ha ya na meka no ese be ni na de ba de kokuma se de ade moja begu adie na wusuru adie ti na fu so mo also mo de kokuma se so you know the truth so when you is under the Asante administrative munyina munye bi miehwe na that is my yoyoko. Oyukuni. Ayoko nkwa na aponte wo mu aka man mu so muni aka fo so. Nti monta mode no, mo fa nkɔhye na datachi ma hena se. Na enya ayoko fu mienu. Na onu mu nyina so akɔkɔda asankuro no mu ne ke nyina ebe celebrate with you. Na wa agenda no emmemu da. Because uni asase. Uni asase. You don't even have a land. Uni asase. How would you want to claim say? Obeso chere say uni asase. Now ni say me fun tantan me me nanan mu kasa wo poni mo. O de obehu. Me yagure ni akora. Me nananom asase. Wontimi ni yeso. Babi. Den chira hima anya mi ameye. Me pebusia. Na mi amaye. Wontimi ni asase so. Eti the mpesa meka na to wo akora wo asum ne se. Asante. Ye wo ahudu bibiri. Obi anye superior nsu no bi. Asante hafuni. Omuro asante kwa abiri ni meme so enyina yepe. Asante atwemani, emuro asante sekireni so yenyina yepe. Asante adansi ni, omuro asante atimni so yenyina yepe. Asante atimni, omuro asante ebru ni so yenyina yepe. But you are the people munti ase munnim se na tie. Me kwa abiri ni omtwe ameka. Me kwa abiri twi. Obi amanse ni oka amanse twi. Obi adanse ni oka adanse twi. Yenyina twi ne so yededem. Santi atimfo sa enso so yedede yenyina twi nim. Okwa hafo a esu yenyina eka the same tone. Obi aso tene yenko ase. Etim pese me kiro se ebono Asante Kingdom. Ebon nanano mo ono so akuro ekọ eto ba bi efe no Bron region no. O mo so akoko denden ejapade bi e wo Asante Kingdom no, they are also part of it. Region is not part of our traditions. If you go to your traditions method mu a tin ye fe traditional areas, ye fe political areas, ye fe traditional areas. Traditional areas. It's brekum on the traditional areas where you can a mamma na mab na bakosema ekobo. Sa no obi ade atie. Ne ka won sese wonya bie. Doma suma na drop because omuni asase. Omuni asase. Ba bi kro mo asase no monko na me enko hwe so mo asase ya. Omo so na edwa ni paso. Yes say ade omum pekura ne say. Ombehunu say asante ne bono ye baako. They hate it because they have agenda. We jama emem because jama no nyo asase. Jama e otumfo asase. Ti wadwuna ya obsa, opasa oye bibi za osa beti jam enye yi. Na me dia sama ka me kan ke be yi a. Ka bas beka so otumfo onfe ni nwa tetima he na wo de minim se moja de egu. Na so hu ahinti konfa ensase bia. Naka edizev ne nsase 7 konfa ma no. Naka onka nche se onfa meso no. Me kabia na ka bia be wo mu a me de me kamasem keke. Wo hu ahinti. Arai na besa motiti ni pantem. Ade ni ho mo besa mo ye ne se ho. Hwe na no nwura da hwede agema history ha bakose bia wote abonten ka. What do you want? So person me hu me say me ma fa sekan. Na me de Bron region. Abre ne Bron region me nuanom mansiafo. Ene me nuanom won mo wam. Won fie o manafo omu nyina gugu ho me mentam sekan. Amini etia grofo bi didi matama me mfie wo mu. Me ni mabakosem. It is India my obedi matama ma de achikwa me. Every day hu so free won fie no. Onidi matama me fie ni da. Isa se ko kabi chero makabi a cheme nananom ntimi fie no. Ada wono sa oda sani ka chem so ofri mansie no. Onidi matama me nkabi nche ne da. Isa se me nananom atsena dikan mo firi nkyira atre dikan e wo masase so e manse se oman ase itime menim ni medi ubi na mabedi mi na natem eno ti na momanya ho a mo gimi saa de kire nipa no esase emu bi enim ba bi e nanam tu kotena ye adai na asem no ho na nipa be so ye ne ho se sela asem ho asem be na ho eti di adima bedu chiri ni se obehunu se otumfuo nie na natachima hini nie onum nyina ate ho omu didi uchiri because wo botaye ade na efe eba constitution mu ade favor na wo uni bi legal method bi enu awo favor bi awo history so aye fake na wa for me e na wo de bron champion for ekura be na ama omo nkwase se okwa ha wote e na wa hyeda yi ayadima historian okwa ha obi kura kana bakosam woni krom adima historian be se o divert no na no de owie ka se twim entry krobia menfi oti akenten e na obi de ebo na bo mu ne interest kokon ye wow acho there's no Wi-Fi in my bedroom. Have you checked my bedroom? If I check my bedroom, I'm going to have a